This video is going to be interesting because today we are going to review some of the wildest videos on Sora. People have been talking a lot about Sora, so let's just review them one by one and just explore it. We are already scrolling on social media. We have been scrolling on Insta and YouTube and all those sort of social media. But now this is a new kind of social media where each and every video is being created using AI just through the prompt. So let's just browse through it and let's see how people are creating because people have wild ideas. Let's just start with it. And we're going to check some of the top videos. So if you're not aware of Shora, by the way, this is how the interface looks like. If you are in India, you have to use VPN to access it. Otherwise, you can use it in US and Canada. This is what it is all about. So here you can see all the options, and this is where you can describe wild thoughts, and it will bring that thought into action or into video clip. I want to see some of the top videos on Sora. So let's just start with that. We will be exploring that together. First one comes this. Let's see. What is this?
Nothing. So don't do it. Stop wasting.
This is not. This should not be the top one, I would say, because it's like the double tap video, right? That's
He's probably
not.
thinking about other girls.
I have a dream that I'm in a dream. And tonight we stand together inside
They take the close up shot of Martin Luther King,
that
and this became so popular on Sora. Like each and every individual who is using it, they might have created at least one video using his voice and his video.
He's probably
That's
thinking about other girls.
so crazy.
You double tap the screen.
Again, look at this man. This is good. What a creativity. Is it? Let's just see their prompt. I already liked it. And it's very detailed prompt. It's very detailed prompt. You see, even the dialogues and all, it's very detailed. Let's just try using this exact prompt and try creating something using this same prompt. I'll be prompting it in the background and then we'll see the results. But till then, let's just explore some of the other videos.
He's probably.
In the case of the three. Oh man, look at that.
Do you hear that?
This is going to be crazy. You might have seen some of the videos in past on YouTube where just watch it. Just watch
Something
it.
moved back
I
there.
think this is
Do you see
horror.
that? Oh God. Do you hear that?
It's horror.
Something moved
It's
back there.
it's so in horror
see that?
genre, but it's fun as well. Like yeah,
Take
Stephen Hawking से किस लाइन में आ गए?
this.
I'm out.
What kind of imagination is this? Like how someone could think that okay, Stephen Hawking, a scientist, he's going to throw. They made a special mechanism here just to hold him and throw him down.
Take this.
I'm out.
Oh man. Again, there's Sam Altman. He's also going so popular. Like his cameo is used a lot. And if you're not aware of what Cameo is, like Cameo is special feature of Sora where it's your avatar basically. Your avatar is named Cameo there, and people can use their avatar if you have made it public, and they can create crazy stuff with it. And one of the Cameo of Sam, it's so popular.
I remember every test.
Thanks for having me in the tank. I'm looking for a $1 trillion investment in Sora. We're building the future.
Mark Cuban. So he also tried Sora, and that's the reason. Like even his uh, video is even usable here. Right?
Do you hear that? Something moved back there.
Again,
Oh, did
same
you
kind
see
of
that?
video. Same kind of video.
Oh God. Do you hear that?
Okay, these are fun to watch. By the way,
Listen to me.
Who are you?
Listen to me.
100 years older. I came back to
I'll skip. I'll skip
All right,
through
boss.
it. I'll
All right,
skip
boss.
this.
Let's keep it still.
Listen up. I'm Sam, CEO of OpenAI, and I'm tired of this. People keep double tapping these.
Again, scam.
Hi there. I noticed you don't have a no soliciting sign on your house yet.
So just for your information, this view here, it is known as fish eye view. And if you prompt it like I need it in a fish eye view, like view something like fish eye view or door, that is this door will view, right? So yeah,
I've
let's
got one.
just
Yo, I'm a free range fella strapped under propellers, not a burger filler, not a bucket seller. Sky high.
now now chickens are rapping, man. Chickens are rapping. They don't have to fly. Even drones are there to lift them, so they don't have to fly. People are having wild thoughts, and this is the platform where they are using their imagination and bringing those things into action. So everyone has wild thoughts, but this just empowers it. It's just like amplification of your thoughts and bringing those thoughts into video format, something which is actual, which is real in front of you. People have wild ideas.
You got the breeze in my
This
pride,
is
but I did
hilarious.
See how the line keeps going up? That's what happens when the coin grows in value. You buy low and
I am some kind of marketing. Man.
Did you know if you double tap on the screen?
What is this?
I'm sick of these AI videos. My family actually thinks I'm gay. Okay.
Let's skip it.
I'm geeked! I'm geeked!
Hands to center, yeah? We
No. All scientists are coming into this. Like Einstein is here, and he is teaching
Stretch
the
not
yoga
only
classes.
the body, but also our idea of time. Open, feel the space between
It's
seconds.
like slowing down light.
Exactly. Sink, breathe, let the universe lengthen.
I will skip that. Who's thinking this? Who is having this kind of thoughts? It might be someone who is sitting in night and sitting alone having this kind of crazy thoughts.
Okay, here we go. Ow. Oh my gosh. I hit it way harder than I thought. I'm good. I'm good. You okay, little guy? Don't copy me, please. We're fine. Okay.
Walk me through Sora's monetization strategy.
Yeah, so basically we're focusing on community growth first, not trying to...
Walk me through.
They don't have direct monetization. They are monetizing mainly through their APIs. So the Sora platform, it's just like free, and we can say like TikTok version of AI videos. But basically, where they are earning is like right now they are burning money on the Sora app, but that's only making it popular. And people who are actually going to use it, they might be profiting more from the Sora API, which is actually released right now. So yeah, that's how they might be thinking of making money in in the short term, but in the long term, like they can also introduce shorts and short feed ads into this one, same similar to what Insta, TikTok, and YouTube are doing. That's how they can monetize. Yeah.
As a mother! I'm geeked! I'm fitted as a mother!
Now,
Do you hear that?
why?
Something
Again,
moved.
I have a
same
dream
kind
that Sora, I was confident in people to remove the watermark.
not people do crazy stuff. So Sora is not confident in any person, so it won't remove the watermark.
I'm sorry, but you can't keep the pig on board. We need you to step off the aircraft.
No, she's
聞こえる？体じゃなく息だけ。ノイズと幽霊の中で
What's that?
私は咲く。
What is this, man?
ここにいるよ。聞こえる？
What kind of imagination is this? Invisible colors. Haunted boombox. This guy is doing detailed prompts. Let's just open his accounts and see what he's creating. His prompts are detailed, like a lot of detail.
体じゃなく息だけ。
Even if
ノイ
we
ズと幽
see
霊の
like
中で
the
私は咲く。
comments, it's fine. Let's just explore his page. So this guy has D Lab AI channel is this one X. Yep, 17K followers. Yeah, Sora has this. And you see this creation, like
Awaken. The
good
pride
one,
runs on light.
good one, good one.
Strength
You can see
becomes
his
signal.
prompts here, entire prompt. Now, you see a lot detailed prompt. That's what brings this kind of results. Real good one, really good job here. I would say. Um, let's just see other ones. Yeah, good one, good profile by the way. I'll hit the follow button here. Why not? Let's just see next one.
I'm out!
Tank.
I noticed you don't have a no solicit.
I've seen this kind of stuff, and oh man, let's just find something interesting, something that is very good to look at. Mm, what is this? What is happening here? This one good. The cat and the girl. Lofi boy. You see, you might have seen that Lofi girl, or that's like playful music or some chill music going on, and Lofi girl is that. This is kind of an AI version of her. She is here. Mm, the cat and the entire scene, like it looks so good. You see, cat. Aha, good. Let's just check her profile. Good one.
I have a dream where people stop making double tap videos.
Yeah, I do have this dream.
They are unfunny and very annoying.
Yeah, exactly. They are unfunny and they're very annoying when people say double tap on this, double tap on that. Man, I have a dream too. Yeah. Damn. It's an anime movie, I would say, like a short anime movie, 10-second one. But look at the details in here. The audio, you might be able to hear the audio, and even the the visuals here. Those like pure anime. Cool. Cool. I'm not able to see the prompt, by the way. It's in Chinese, I guess. Yeah, it's in Chinese. Top notch. What is he doing?
We've been trying to reach you regarding your Vigo's extended warranty.
The message there. We've been trying to reach you regarding your vehicle's extended warranty. Oh man.
We've been trying to reach you regarding your Vigo's extended warranty.
I thought we were going to be on a TV show.
Oh, some kind of error. I'll give her a follow. She's good. Her videos are good.
Fuck the Yankees.
Good one. Good one. Okay, so now we will be checking the prompt that we provided here and what it generated.
Stay, little ghost. Sing with me.
Yeah, it's like the visuals are so similar because I wanted to see whether the Sora is able to copy the exact visuals or not based on this particular prompt. And what is happening here is like I copied the exact prompt and pasted it here just to check the same thing. And And it is doing that part. It is creating all the visuals similar, but I'm seeing the difference that there are some particles in here which in the previous video which are not here. So yeah, it's visually similar, but it has some difference in it. And Sora, in terms of consistency, Sora is not good. That's what I have been hearing a lot. But let's see how it improves. Let's say Sora 2 is this. But we'll see how Sora 3 comes out or how Sora 5 is, because that's going to be a lot better. So that's it for this one. If you are on Sora, just see this is my ID. So join me on Sora and let me know your thoughts in the comments, which video you like the most. Until then, see ya. Have a good one.